everyone. Today, so Sophie and I got up at 5:30 and came over here to Puchifa. We're on our way down now. We came up this morning to see if we could see a beautiful sunrise over a sea of clouds. Unfortunately, the weather wasn't so favorable to us, and no sea of clouds, and because of the haze it took the sun a little while to peek out, but nonetheless, still a beautiful morning. Nice brisk cool air, good way to start the day. So we're heading back down now. We're gonna grab the motorbike, head back to the hotel, and just have a quick coffee and breakfast, pack our things, and then we're driving onward south to Nan today. So we had a nice little coffee on our balcony, chilled out this morning a bit, and now we're all packed up. Look at Sophie, ready on her bike. Goodbye, nice view. We're gonna just run into town, grab some fuel because we're basically out of fuel. Grab some fuel, and then we're gonna continue on this mountain road and down to the highway at the bottom, and then turn off on the famous 1148 scenic road. So, and head onward to Nan. It should take us about 3.5, 4 hours? 4 hours. Running a little low on fuel there. Whew, that was a close one, guys. We were counting the kilometers there. We weren't sure if we were gonna make it. Luckily, we found this little town, and we got some makeshift fuel station here. But we made it. We got some fuel. Whew. We were super hungry, and we made a naughty pit stop. Maybe you can see better behind Sophie. What's that? Where are we parked, Sophie? Over your left shoulder.
Nothing.
We had ham and cheese toasties from 7-Eleven. The best ever, but it's a bit naughty. We just had a little snack because we were just too hungry. So we still got 1 hour to go until we get to Nan, pretty much just one straight road through the mountains to there. So, rock and roll. Oh, what? Hey, hold on. But so far, actually, this mountain road has been epic. Like, buttery smooth roads, cutting and winding through the mountains. Really nice. What they said about it being a really nice scenic road, 100% true. Very nice, and not a lot of traffic at all, so basically have the road to ourselves. Just make sure you have enough fuel. It's very important. You have fuel. Otherwise you pay a 50% markup on the fuel. So anyways,
Guys, so we made a wrong turn. We made a wrong turn. We've just been heading 20 kilometers in the wrong direction. So now we're turning around and we got still 70 kilometers to go to Nan. I think we would have almost been there by now, but since we went the wrong way, we still got a ways to go. I had to come back and double check that I'm not crazy. Sure enough, that's the sign right there. It says Nan left. Nan is actually right. So we came here. I saw the sign. I was just following the road signs, and we went left. And we went about 20 kilometers the wrong way. So, but I thought it was me, but it's not. I was following the sign, and the sign's wrong. That sign is wrong. Whew, clear conscious now. We've made it finally to Nan. It's our lovely hotel. Nice spacious room. Wow. It's actually really nice, honey. It's like brand new. Aircon, TV. It's a little bit much on the concrete, but it's huge. So there's what, 590 baht? Place to hang our jackets. Nice bathroom. Oh yeah. Baby balcony. I don't know if that was necessary, but good effort. A for effort. Nice. Let's relax. Let's shower up. Go check out the town a little bit later this afternoon. What a long ride in. Wasn't supposed to be that long.